Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again to do another video. Today I have an unboxing for you, and I was also going to let you in on how to qualify for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. In the next couple of days, I'm going to tell you about a picture that I'm going to post on my community page. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you comment there what you like about my channel underneath that picture, and then also put your Instagram handle or name, whatever they call it. And that way I can contact you on Instagram through the messages, the DMs there, and figure out how to send you your prize. I'm going to let my youngest son pick which person wins the challenge, and he's going to go through and look and see what people write and randomly pick one winner for the giveaway. And I just wanted to remind you, I'm giving away a canvas shopping bag as well as a mask, and then a dress up my purse charm as well. But today we just got back from our ski trip. In fact, I've got my brand new Crested Butte hoodie on. I found this at one of the stores downtown there, and we just drove 12 hours. I'm exhausted. I don't really have makeup on, but I wanted to do a video because when I arrived home, I had a package waiting for me, and I can't wait because this package is my reward to myself for hitting 1,000 subscribers, and I like to be rewarded, so here we go. The package is from Gilt. They sent it in a very nice box. I don't think they padded it very much because it makes a lot of noise, but that's okay. I'm going to take a really quick thumbnail, or pause for one. All right, I've got my handy dandy Amazon knife. And by the way, I did want to let you know that I've been approved for a couple of affiliate programs. And so the links that I post below, they're still going to be of things that I recommend and talk about in my video. I'm not going to spam you with a bunch of stuff that I don't have or haven't tried, but things like this that I use, or this bag that I bought from Gilt, if I can link it below and use an Amazon link or a magic link, I'm going to do that because it won't take anything away from you. But if you do happen to want to buy whatever it is I'm showing you and you click through those links, then I'll get a tiny percentage of the sale. So now that that's out of the way, let's see what is in this wonderful box. Unfortunately, this item has sold out, but I think that it's still available on Longchamp.com. It's full price. Oh, crap. I just had a technical difficulty. I just spilled my Diet Dr. Pepper off of the table next to me directly onto the carpet on my closet floor, which sucks. But I don't have time to clean it up now because it's halftime and the Jayhawks are coming back soon. So I've got to do this unboxing real quick. So while I'm doing it, I'm sopping the floor up with the dog towel. So here we go. Here she is. And I do like it when Gilt and other companies pack a box inside the bigger box if they're not going to pad it very well, because at least within this smaller box, the item's not shaking around quite so much. She came with the dust bag, and guess what? It's a white and green one. You know what that means, right? This is all I have left out of my whole entire bottle. Not good. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, I'm looking at myself in the phone and I look just tired. But look, it's my silver star. What a beauty. Oh my gosh. She smells wonderful. She looks perfect. I hear the chain on the inside, so that's good. I'm going to take this paper off and I'm going to do a quick spin. This is the Autumn Beckman spin, but I still haven't figured out how to put music to it. Look how shimmery and beautiful she is. I saw a Bits and Bags video on this bag. She just recently got her, and she put it with a wedding strap from Marc Jacobs. No, she put it with a wedding strap from Longchamp that had pink colors in it, and it looks so pretty. I'm going to link her video down below. The bag has black on the underside of the handles and black on the zipper pull and black on the underside of the flap. I haven't seen that before. And then of course the black gunmetal hardware. It came with the care booklet, which is a nice touch. Let's see what it says. It says it is made out of, I can't read it. I need to have my glasses on because I'm blind. It says it's made of calf skin with a crocodile pattern trimmed in cowhide lined with textile. Good to know. I save all of those little cards, but I don't leave them in the bag. And so if I were to ever sell one of these, I would have no idea which one went with the bag. Oh my goodness, guys. I am super, super, super excited about this chain. This is very similar. It's a little bit thinner than the Amazon chains that I recommend, but it is a beautiful chain. Let me drape it across the bag and show you how pretty this is. Look at that. Holy moly, that is so gorgeous. Well, I'm gonna have to try it on. I do need to show you what the inside looks like too. It smells so good. Like the leather is just overwhelming my senses. Can you even see inside? I don't think you can. It has the normal slip pocket back here, and that's it. There's no other pockets. It's lined in a nylon cotton blend is what it feels like. And it's got the Longchamp print all over the inside, and it's in black with gray lettering. This bag is absolutely perfect. The zipper wanted to give me a little bit of a trouble at the top. Wonder why. It's like it's got a little piece of tissue paper stuck in it. Do a little ASMR, right? Ooh. It's working now. There must have been just a teeny bit of tissue paper at the end, but it's gone. I worked it out with my ASMR moment. Okay, my socks are all wet because they're covered in Diet Dr. Pepper, which is all over the floor. But hey, the bag looks good on me. What do you think? What do you think? I like it. It even works with this outfit, which is super casual. Got my joggers on, got my hoodie on, got my Crested Butte hoodie on. Back from the ski runs with a burnt nose and a light heart. It's got the beautiful gunmetal hardware, which is really, really nice looking on the silver. So I have one other Longchamp bag, and I worried that it'd be too similar. Let me grab it and I'll show you. I said, I have one other Longchamp bag. I lied. I have now 26 of this size. Let me smile with them, just in case I decide to use this picture instead. So this one here is the Croc Longchamp Extra Small in Platinum. And you can see it comes with the beautiful silver chunky short chain. This one here is the Longchamp Extra Small in silver with the gunmetal chain. I don't really think they're the same. What do you think? I think they're both metallic, yes, but the one on the right has a more matte pearly finish. The one on the left has, of course, a shiny, super metallic finish. I would use both of these bags in a casual, or I could use it in a dressy setting, but in all reality, I would probably use one of my fancy pants bags, like maybe my Chanel or a YSL bag, if I was really getting dressed up. But I don't know. This is pretty nice. I could see with the right outfit this being good for a fancy pants occasion, like a gala or something fun like that, if I ever go to something like that again. It's not looking promising that I will, but you never know. I've got two Coach metallic bags. It's backwards. I've got these two. The Coach Willis 18 in soft metallic gold, and then I've got the Coach Camera Quilty in soft metallic silver. These two bags, I also wondered if they would compete with this one, but they're just so different. Don't you guys think? I think they're very different. Very different applications. Now, I will tell you, I did get something else today for this bag. I'm slightly bummed because I was supposed to have 2 bags waiting for me when I got home today, but I guess I can just spread out the pleasure this way. I called UPS and I said, I had rescheduled my delivery for today. Where's my bag? And they said, we don't know what happened. It's not there. It's here. We can't get to it. Too bad. So sad for you. So look at this. This is the same Amazon chain that I got to go with my Tory Burch Kira. It's supposed to be 25 inches long, but when I measured my other one in gold, it was 26.5 inches. So I got the gold one, and I got the antique gold one, and I just ordered this one, which is in the black or the gunmetal color. I'll link it in my box, so don't forget to check out my box. But I just want to show you, if you like Longchamp, look how perfect this matches their hardware. I mean, come on. Can you get any better than that? And this is by the brand Yi Chain, which is Y-I and then chain. And I discovered this brand through Amy Elizabeth. She did a video on the Pillow Tabby 18 in metallic silver, which I can link below. And when she did that video, she linked the 42-inch version of this chain. And since then, I have gotten all of the colors of the 42-inch, except for maybe 2. I got gold, antique gold, silver, and black. And I think they still have light gold and yellow gold, which I ordered, but they didn't match any of my bags. But this one is in the black color. And look how cute that is. Bam. Makes it into a shoulder bag. What do you think of that? How do you like them apples? I love it. I love it. Even if you don't love it, I love it. Well, I hear my family rumbling outside. In fact, I've gotten a couple text messages asking for food. So I better run, but I'm so happy you could join me for this exciting unboxing to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. I will try to let you know what picture to comment on in the next video or 2 for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't yet, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm the same name there, The Handbag Housewife. That, of course, will be part of the giveaway entry. I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Take care and have a fabulous weekend. Bye.